There are instances that the employee classification or job title is required to show in employee payslips in Xero. One instance is for visa application, wherein payslips from current employment should be included and the position or job title must be specifically stated. For illustration purposes, let me show you an existing employee payslip that has no job title on it. So under payroll, click employees, then the list of employees will populate, and let's click on Justin Brownlee as the example. So Justin's employee details will show up here, from details, employment, taxes, leave, and so on. Let's specifically go to the payslips tab, and let's download the recent pay run, which is week ending 21 September 2023. Justin's payslip showing on the upper right is the company name of his employer. In this example, it's Demo Company. The address and the ABN are also in this payslip. Under the employment details, the only info listed here is the pay frequency, which is weekly. And Justin needs his job title to be listed here as well. Since it's missing, we need to add it. So how do we add the classification or the job title on Justin's payslip? Let's say Justin Brownlee is working as an IT professional. So going back to the employee section, then click on Details tab. There is a field here for job title, which is optional, and we can leave this field blank. Now click on Employment tab and look for the classification field. It states here, if you record a classification, it will be included on your payslips. So let's enter IT professional as Justin's current job title and click Save. Now that's done. Starting on the next pay run, Justin's job title will show up on his payslips. Let's generate a new pay run to illustrate that. So let's go to Payroll, Pay Employees, Add Pay Run. So in this case, Justin is using unscheduled pay run. Weekly calendar. Next pay run would be September 28, 2023. Click on Next. Click on Justin Brownlee. So let's type in time. Estimated time, let's say 7 hours. He worked from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. 2 hours from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. Another 2 hours from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. 4 hours for Saturday. So tax type will be automatic as well as super fund. Let's click Save. So even if the pay run is on draft status here, we can still download a payslip report. So let's do that to see if the action was successful. Under View Reports, click on Payslips. The new payslip now shows a classification or job title for Justin Brownlee, which is IT professional.